Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing a haul video. I've bought a few little odds and ends here and there recently, so I figured I would share them with you in case you saw anything you liked and wanted to get your hands on it. So the first item I have here, which you will recognize if you follow me on Instagram, I have a few posts in this coat, is this, what is it called, Sherpa or shearling? Or some sort of faux animal mimic fabric coat, and you'll see it's very long. It goes, I think, slightly past my knees on me, and I did order this in petite, which was absolutely necessary. I've mentioned before, I'm only 5 feet tall. If you are small as well, I would definitely recommend the petite because this falls perfectly on me. So the closures are just a few buttons here in the front. I've worn this a couple times already and it is so warm. It is not just a cute coat. It is actually very practical, so warm, comfortable, easy to move around in. Probably my favorite coat purchase in a long time. I love this, and it's also got a nice little chain for hanging if you need that for any reason. And it also came with its own hanger too, which is really nice. It's a very sturdy hanger. So I love this piece. The next coat I want to talk about is actually more of a jacket. This is a lighter rain jacket, and I had to get it because of course it is in this burnt orange color, which is my favorite. Both of these are from J. Crew. I don't know if I mentioned that. I know there is, I think, 1 or 2 sizes of this one left. I don't think this particular color is left, but this actual jacket type is available in other colors still. I love that there are these pulls at the waist so you can tighten it to give yourself a little bit of shape, because no one likes looking like a trash bag in a raincoat. So I really like this. It's got a good size hood. I would say a small button could fit in that hood, maybe not one of my really large big ones, but it's just a really nice raincoat, and I am quite pleased with this one as well. Next, before we get into clothing, I wanted to talk about some face masks. I've bought three sets of face masks recently. 2 of these are from Loft and 1 is from J. Crew Factory. So the one from J. Crew Factory is this plaid set. So you get 3 different plaid varieties, like the traditional blue and green. Then they are selling a shirt at J. Crew with this pink and red pattern, which is super cute, and then a black based one too. Really like these. Let me set these down. And then these 2 sets are both from Loft. So we have kind of a dark neutrals one. So there is a straight up black mask. Then you have a like desaturated black stripe and white stripe. And then you have like a gray and black stripe. I'm sorry, my nails are all chipped. I totally forgot to paint them before this video. So these I really liked because, well, one, it's just the sake of ease thing. I purchased from Loft a lot and J. Crew. It's easier for me to get my masks there while I'm already making other purchases. But also I like that these were neutrals, so Austin can just grab these and wear these too. He has no problem wearing my pink one that I have. But I just figured, you know, he's a plain guy. But not that that's a bad thing, but he would like these better probably. And then animal prints. So this pack's also from Loft. These are our 3 animal prints. Really cute. Everyone knows animal prints are neutrals anyway, so excited to have that pack. And then we will move into the clothing. This is the only clothing item I have to share from Loft, and it's just a cream colored shirt with a nice tight fit. There are some stripes like built into the fabric, not actual different colored stripes, and it's just a nice plain white or cream top. Thought this would be really nice in winter. It's pretty much what I'm buying for at this point now is winter. And then everything else is J. Crew or J. Crew Factory. This is from J. Crew. Now, I will say, I was a little caught off guard by this piece when it arrived. This is a much different looking green online. It's much brighter and more like pea soup looking than like swamp mud looking. But when I tried this on, I actually really loved the way it looked. So it's got a little undershirt underneath, which is, you know, kind of similar to my shirt in the fabric feel. And then it is a button up with this gorgeous lace. I love this. I wasn't expecting to love it when I saw it out of the bag because the color was so different than I was expecting, but on it is just gorgeous. This piece was from J. Crew Factory, and it is a dress. Can you tell I like red flats? So it is a fairly long dress. I'd call it a midi. It falls on me, like I said, short, right below the knee, and so I was unsure just kind of looking in the mirror, but then I tried it on with some heels, which is probably how to wear it, and it looked fantastic. So I really love this. It has this chunkier strip of fabric at the waist to tie with, and it buttons all the way up, and I think it just looks really classic, really cute. This would be nice for holiday parties if we were allowed to have parties, but since we're not, I'm just going to wear it around the house around the holidays and, you know, enjoy myself that way. I've been doing that pretty much every day, getting dressed to some extent and actually enjoying my clothes and wearing them. I know most people are more comfortable in loungewear, but I like wearing my clothes, so I've been doing that a lot lately. And then we have two items on this next hanger. So the first is this knockoff Prada Spice Girl t-shirt. Let's see. I believe the company this was from was Beachy KJ is what it was called. I saw an influencer, it might have been that Anna edit? I don't know. One of the UK people I follow, I saw wearing this and I was like, okay, I need to buy that. And it was kind of expensive. It was coming from Canada, I believe. And I have to say, knowing what I know now, I probably wouldn't repurchase it because I don't think the t-shirt quality is very nice. It is not a super soft t-shirt. It's actually kind of itchy, but I do love the design. But, you know, I wasn't going to send it back because the design is so cute and I waited so long to get it because of it being a small business, but whatever. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to love it. It's just not the best fabric. And then I have over top of that, because this is how I plan to wear this as an outfit at some point, this cardigan from J. Crew Factory, which I was on the fence with, going back and forth on whether or not to get for a while. And then I just was like, you know what? If I don't like it, I can send it back. I'll just get it in order with a bunch of other stuff. I love it. I love this cardigan so much. I've tried it on with loungier clothes and it looks awesome. Tried it on with jeans and t-shirt because I tried on this whole outfit because these both came on the same day. I loved it and I think this is going to be a really nice contribution to my wardrobe, and it looks good in fall, it looks good in winter. I have a feeling if you paired it with lighter colors it will probably look good with spring stuff too. So that is everything I have to share with you for this video that I have purchased and am keeping. I did want to share with you some items I was not going to keep, and I'm just going to talk to you because I've already returned them. But I purchased from J. Crew the crew neck like sweatshirt, or it might be called a pullover. I think it's called vintage cotton. So they have the crew neck pullover in several colors, like tons of colors. I had a few different colors in my cart, but I only purchased one for the sake of trying it, which I'm glad I did. And they had coordinating joggers that they were selling with that as well. The sweatshirt I have sent back, and the joggers I'm going to be sending back. I have them, but they're already packed up in the package that they came in and resealed. So they are just not very nice high quality fabric. They're not soft. The inside of the sweatshirt actually is like itchy and uncomfortable, so I cannot recommend that. And I wanted to let you guys know that because I have been shouting the praise of the Loft blue and gray sweatshirt and sweatpants that I've shared in previous videos, and I noticed that they have them in a few new colors, so definitely check that out if you're looking for a really nice, soft, amazing lounge set. And I would avoid the J. Crew one because it is just not good quality fabric whatsoever. But I did want to mention that because obviously I want you guys to only be buying things that are great. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!